For the kind attention of passengers, train number 12602 Mangalore Central, Dr. MGR Chennai Central, Mail Superfast Express, coach position from engines. First, SLR come disabled portion. Second, ladies coach. Third, general compartment. Fourth, general compartment. Fifth, HV1, first AC, come AC2 time. Sixth, B1, AC2 time. Seventh, B1, AC3 time. Eighth,
ഫ്രണ്ടേജിലേക്ക് പോകാനുള്ള വഴിയല്ല നമുക്ക് ഈ മുകളിൽ
B1 AC3 tire, 7th B2 AC3 tire, 8th B3 AC3 tire, 9th B4 AC3 tire, 10th B5 AC3 tire, 11th B6 AC3 tire, 12th S1, 13th S2, 14th S3, 15th S4, 16th S5, 17th S6, 18th S7, 19th S8, 20th S9, 21st S10, 22nd S11, 23rd general compartment, 24th SLR come disabled portion. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी संख्या 66610 एर्नाकुलम पालघाट मेमू ट्रेन थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 5 पर आएगी. For the kind attention of passengers, train number 66610 Ernakulam Palghat Memo train will arrive shortly on platform number 5. शून्य एर्नाकुलम पालघाट मेमू ट्रेन थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 5 पर आएगी. For the kind attention of passengers, train number 66610 Ernakulam Palghat Memo train will arrive shortly on platform number 5.